This is my desk setup. It is the place where I do most of my work and a bit of entertaining. I put together this setup about a month ago, and since then, I have spent most of my time here almost every day. And just like that, quickly I thought, how can I make it better without overdoing it? And most of all, how can I do this without spending much? My desk is a built-in desk that the developer of the apartment have built with only about 60 centimeters by 110 centimeters halfway. It's a struggle to fit in all the things I need as I was used to having a bigger desk, so space is a challenge. I wish I could buy my own desk, but there is no space. After doing some research, I decided to focus on two things: showcasing more the items that I love or that I frequently use, and lighting. I have listed down what I need, so let's get shopping. I bought another backboard and some add-ons so I can show more the things that I love while utilizing this space. I also bought this smart light strip from Kmart because it works. Okay, so let's get my stuff out of the way, get this frame off the wall as well as the lamp, patch the drill hole, and start installing the new backboard. So that concludes my desk setup makeover. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and get inspired by it. Please subscribe to the channel to support me, and I will see you in the next one.